So guys, you've seen me a lot of times having live video sa page natin, pero bakit kaya ako kinakabahan ngayon? Thank you, thank you. Ano ba kabalan? Welcome to FONERange Pampanga. For today's video, we were invited by Samsung SM City Clark to be part of their unboxing. So mamaya guys, lalabas tayo sa live video nila at dito rin sa live video ng FONERange Pampanga. We're gonna be unboxing the newest Samsung Galaxy Fold series. So ayun guys, Samsung Galaxy Fold 5. Baka naman. So Ma'am Julian. Yan. So guys, if you recall, sa mga previous Samsung videos natin, kasama din natin siya. Thank you so much for inviting po. Medyo kinakabahan ako eh.
Naku sir, wag kang kabahan. Tingin ko naman, ikaw naman suking-suki na namin. So, this is our 5th generation of our Flip and Fold series. And here we go, andito ka ulit. And live na live here at SM City Clark.
Parang kinakabahan talaga ako. Ewan ko. So, here it is. Woo! Iba naman I got a new phone.
This is our Flip 5. And this is our newest Samsung Galaxy Fold 5. Susunod po ba, fold na ang gamit mo?
I think I'm gonna flip to the other side.
Yes. Join the flip side.
Join the flip side. Samsung Galaxy Flip 5. We were here when they launched din yung Flip 4. And what I like about the new upgrade, lumaki na yung screen niya. Look at this. So you can actually vlog from here. You know. I like it.
Joining us to unfold a digital content creator as well. We're in Pampanga. Ayan. So I'm sure you are aware, his vlogs are not only about the new technologies, but he also feature topics like lifestyle, yan, syempre, travel, and mostly food. So please welcome, hindi ko na papatagalin pa, Sir Louis Season. Alright!
Finally, kinakabahan ako. Kanina si Ma'am Julian, first time ever na unbox niya ang Flip. Ako naman, first time ever yung Fold. Guys, Fold. Ayan. So, eto na siya. Finally. So, if you notice guys, nakasil pa talaga yan. And kung hawak mo yung kamay ko, nilalamig talaga siya. There you go guys. Are you excited? Ayan, pa thumbs up naman tsaka pa like sa mga ano natin, sa live video natin. Alright, so this is it. Sabi niya dito, do not accept if seal is broken. It's not broken. So I'm gonna accept it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. There you go. Look at this. Napaka-thoughtful ng ano natin, no, Samsung, because they care for the environment. No? Yung mga box natin are 100% recycled papers. Namnamin ko muna siya, no? Namnamin ko muna siya. So this is it. Palakpakan naman dyan. Oh. So this color is Phantom Black. Sa mga major updates sa Fold natin is the sleek design. Wala na talaga siyang space dito. More sleek in design. Ayan. Check natin. So handy, so handy. Ayun. On this side, so meron tayong volume, of course yung power, speakers on both sides, and then ito yung ano natin, charger. Okay, so let's open it. Excited na ako guys. Let's open it. Let's open it. Diba? Halatang first time ko humawak, diba? So it's opening. There you go. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Start natin. Guys, pamine naman if you want this. There you go. What I like about it, again, yung size, yung screen size niya is malaki para for productivity use, no? When I say productivity, you can actually multitask dito po, and you also can use mga ano natin, S Pen. Let me just show you yung task natin. So say for example, you want to open your gallery, you can also browse sa internet by dragging yung ano natin. So ayun, no? So the other half, you can view photos and then while browsing. So yung taskbar natin dito, you can add up until 8. If you are interested to get this one, they have a promo. Another thing I wanna share with you is meron siyang mga hands-free mga tasks. Say for example, you want to watch, nagvo-vlog ka na, nanonood, hands-free. So para sa amin mga content creators, this is really useful. Just place it sa table habang kumakain. Magkano ya, sir? Alright, so now you're talking. Thanks so much, Samsung, for the opportunity to unbox. For more information, I'm gonna hand it back yung stage to our staff here. Kasi meron tayong mga promos, mga pre-order, tama po ba?
Alright, yes.
So, take
thank
it
you so
away.
much. Yan, Sir Louis
yes.
Season from We're in Pampanga. Yan.
Ah,
So, ang
thanks so
ganda ng
much.
shirt ni Sir.
So, that was our quick and I don't know, medyo awkward na unboxing. It's my first time, guys, so bear with me, I'm sorry. Pero that was really amazing. Nag-enjoy ako. Parang, you know, you wanna have it in your hand. Very content creator friendly niya. You can place it anywhere. That's what I like it, of course. Number 2 is the productivity. So you can multitask. You can do a lot of things. A smaller version, actually, mas agile na version. Go for the flip, guys. Go for the flip. I think I'm gonna go for the flip.
Thank you for the vlog.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much!
Thank you. All right, that was a great show. The flip show. Am I gonna flip? Flip na yata ako, guys.